Picture stepping off the busy streets of central Hong Kong, and suddenly the city noise softens. You enter Hong Kong Park, and within a few steps, the skyscrapers are still towering above you, but now they're framed by palm trees, waterfalls, and winding garden paths. It feels like someone quietly folded a forest into the middle of the financial district. Towards the edge of the park, there's a contrast that feels very Hong Kong. Tropical plants in the foreground and the sharp glass towers of Bank of China Tower rising in the background. The whole walk only takes about 20 minutes if you stroll straight through, but most people slow down, wander, and sit by the ponds. Today, I'm visiting LockCha Tea House, a traditional tea house known for its beautiful vegetarian dim sum and incredible Chinese tea. After wandering through the greenery of Hong Kong Park and finishing an incredible dim sum meal at LockCha Tea House, it's easy to forget that one of the busiest cities in the world is just outside the gates. Places like this are a reminder that Hong Kong isn't only skyscrapers and neon lights. It also has these quiet pockets where you can slow down, sip tea, and enjoy the moment. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next adventure.